That door and discrepancies creeping in between the state and defense regarding the breaking down of the door. Was Oscar Pistorius on his stumps or not?
Well, a very good afternoon to you, Natasha. Well, that's exactly what is taking centre stage here at the North Gauteng High Court, while following the testimony of Colonel Johannes Vermeulen, who has extensive experience in forensics within the South African Police Service. He says he was roped in basically to examine the door that Oscar Pistorius shot through when he killed Reeva Steenkamp, and to look at the cricket bat that was used to break down the bathroom door after Oscar Pistorius had realized that he might have shot his girlfriend Reeva Steenkamp after he initially thought it was an intruder. Well, he says after concluding and after examining both those aspects, he's concluded that Oscar Pistorius was not wearing his prosthetic legs at the time, and in fact he was on his stumps. Now, you will know that in a sworn affidavit that Oscar Pistorius had given, which we heard during the bail application, Oscar Pistorius claims that he had his prosthetic legs on. So serious contradictions that we're hearing here inside the demonstrations that you saw during those clips as well, going as far as bringing in the actual door to demonstrate. Now, the defense has been cross-examining Colonel Vermeulen, trying to prove that Oscar Pistorius was in fact wearing his stumps, and they're sticking to their guns basically at this stage, and cross-examination will continue.
All right, now Chriselda, it has to be asked, does this assist the defense in any way?
Well, what the defense will try to prove here, Natasha, is that, yes, Oscar Pistorius agrees that he shot and killed Reeva Steenkamp. But what happened afterwards when he realized that, in fact, it was not an intruder behind that bathroom door, but in fact that it may have been Reeva Steenkamp when he went back to the bed to go and see where Reeva Steenkamp was? This certainly does assist the defense in the aspect of showing that Oscar Pistorius was very concerned after he realized that, in fact, it is my girlfriend who is behind the door. So then he went, fetched the cricket bat and hit it so hard that he broke it, and then was able to gain access to Reeva Steenkamp's body. So it does kind of push towards an indication that Oscar Pistorius tried to exhaust at least the options that he had at that time to try and break down that door and access Reeva Steenkamp.
All right, Chriselda, thank you very much. We'll leave it there. We'll check in again with you tomorrow, as we usually do. Thanks so much. Chriselda Lewis at the North Gauteng High Court in Pretoria.